Hey, if you are wondering how you can charge iPhone 16e, let me quickly explain. So first of all, when you try to charge this device wired, then you can find recommendation about power adapter. So from 4.5 to 26 watts, as you can see, there's no charger inside. You can only find here double USB-C cable, so you will have to actually purchase new power adapter with this wattage. Or for example, you can use power adapter from your old phone if you have one. And also, if you want to charge this device wireless, you can do this. Here you can find the wireless charging up to 7.5 watts, but there's actually no MagSafe. So you have to use the physical chargers. You cannot connect them into your iPhone with the magnets. Then about the charging time, so when you're gonna use above 20 watt charger, it will be around like 2 hours. From 0 to 100%, of course, depending of your specific power adapter wattage. And for wireless, so we got 7.5 watts, it will be around 3 to 4 hours. And of course, you can use third-party chargers and cables, like for example, completely cheap, like $5 or $2 from Amazon or other websites. But of course, it will be the best to avoid them, because when you got uncertified accessories, they can actually damage your battery or overheat your device. But yes, you can do this on your own risk. If you have bad luck, then you will probably broke your iPhone. But yeah, if you are looking for some recommendation, so you can use from trusted brands like Anker, Belkin or Ugreen. But if you want to get the best results, you have to use the Apple official charger.